This is the study room. So we've installed lights. Woodwork is already there. Every room. This room extends to a balcony, which is the common washing area as well. There is good hindware bathroom fittings all over and Jaguar bath fittings. There is also a geyser installed, hindware, in all three bathrooms. Two bathrooms have a 5-star 15-liter geyser, and master bedroom has got a. So now we'll go to the main dining room. Installed all the ceiling lights, fans. This is and there is intercom in the room, and there is also the facility also gives you to look at your recharge balance. This is the view from the dining room balcony. Now this is the kitchen. There's already a lot of work which has been done. We have installed automatic hindware chimney as well. You don't need to clean it. It auto cleans itself. All the modular kitchen work has already been done in the kitchen. And we've also installed Live Pure RO. This is the kitchen washing area, and then kitchen extends to the outside washing area. So in total it's a 3 BHK with 2 bedrooms, 1 study that we just saw, and 3 bathrooms. So this is the second bathroom, which is common to the second bedroom and the living room. And here also we have installed a 15-liter hindware geyser. Now we are going to the second bedroom. Again, this is the common bathroom door that we just saw. There is already work done on the woodwork side. So there is an almirah which extends till the roof, and this is the balcony. So there are in total 4 balconies, 3 for each room and then 1 for the common area, and there are sliding doors in each balcony. This is the view from the second balcony. There is Gore City Mall which is coming up. It's a road facing flat, and I think the mall is in walking distance. There is metro which will be coming up as well. We are on 7th floor. In total there are 23 floors. Okay, so now we'll see again fans and everything. Basic lighting has been installed. Now we'll see the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. We've installed curtain rods as well in each room. The color and everything matches with the fans. We have kept it brown. The door color was brown as well. There's basic lighting. There is point for you to install more customized lighting if you want to. This is the walk-in closet. So once you come out of the bathroom is again in the similar shape. In this bathroom, what we have done is that we have installed a 25-liter geyser. So we installed a 25-liter 5-star hindware geyser. So there is, you can save a lot of cost on electricity as well. This is the walk-in closet. This space can be utilized to, keep a dressing table. This is a complete master bedroom. And then, yes, so this is the complete house. Please call me for more details. Thank you.